Hello everybody, this is Dave's Acrylic Pouring, and we are going to do something special today. It is March 1st, so why not do something Irish themed? We got the March 17th is the Luck of the Irish, so we're going to do a swipe today with St. Patrick's Day in mind, and I am using some folk art because, you know, when you think of Irish folks, why not use folk art? Anyway, I'm using color shift art paints, and I have these colors are blue flash. Just dropping stuff all over the place. I have green flash, and this is emerald flash, and this one is orchid flash. And for my swipe color, I'm using the folk art metallic gold. So those are our colors. And I have used a lighter green base, which I mixed my own colors, so I don't have an exact color for you on this one. But it is kind of like a yellowish green. So I used green and yellow and mixed it together to come up with this color. So, okay. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and start. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to torch our base down, as always. Okay. Let's start off with the pink. The orchid. Start at the edge and we're going all the way across. Now there are no silicone in any of my colors except for the gold. Gold is the only color that I have my silicone in. I really like this one here. This color right here is the it's the blue flash, but it's got like a purplish color to it, purplish background, and it's really like real flashy. All right, now we're going with the emerald. All right, and now what is this one? This one's called the green flash. Looks kind of yellow to me, like a light green maybe. All right, back to the pink. Make sure you run it off the edges. And then the blue flash. Okay. Get a little more pink right there. And we want the emerald. And then the green. Yellow, it's yellow. Sorry. It just looks yellow. Uh-oh, what is that? I don't know how that got in there. I always strain my colors too. Strain all my paints whenever I do this. So getting paint boogers in your canvas is just kind of off-putting, I guess. I don't know. Alright, we're coming in with the gold now. We're going to put the gold across the top because, you know, when you think of the luck of the Irish, why not think gold, right? All right. Now on these Artist Loft canvases, they come with a plastic sheet in there, and it works really good for these swipes because it's the exact same size that we need. So set that up there, and then just drag it across the top. paper towel taped down over here so that I can wipe this off, so I don't have to put it down with paint all over it. Alright, let's fire this puppy up and see if we can't get some cells a popping. Yep, there they come. Okay, now we have to do some tilting on this and get some of this extra paint off of there and stretch these cells. Okay, make sure you get those corners. Wow, looks like I did a good job on that one. There's no, look, all the corners and sides look pretty well covered. Yeah. Okay. So let's hit it with a torch again. Let me wipe these edges down so stop the drips. Wife doesn't like it when I drip paint on her floors. Alright. Torch coming in. Alright. Now, I'd say that looks pretty darn good. So I'm going to bring you in for a closer look here. Okay. Very reptilian looking. Okay. Set you back up. All right, now you can take a toothpick, and when you find certain cells or whatever, if you draw from the top part of it down and go all the way through the cell, when it's round like this and you push from the top coming down, it ends up turning into a heart, because it pulls the bottom part into a point and pulls the top part into a point. So you end up with a heart. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the top into the middle and from the sides, and I'm going to try to make some 4-leaf clovers in here. And they're not going to be all over the place, just in a few areas, so you have to hunt for them. So here we go. this around so I can get to the other side. There we go. We got a couple of them in there. I could probably make a lot more, but I'm not going to take up your entire time. I think you get the idea of what I'm doing here. So I'm going to bring you down a little closer so that you can see some of these that I just did. Okay, I got one there. I'm going to work on them a little bit more so that so I can actually see that they pop a little bit more. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing here so that you can see the end result. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Making a few more on here. But for the purposes of this video, that's the end of it. So thank you very much for watching. Pour on. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.